In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom client portals with Softr and Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, the very first step in this process is to retrieve your Monday.com API key. To do this, start by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner of your Monday.com account. This will lead you to a menu where you can navigate to the Administration section. Within Administration, select Connections. Here you will find an option for API. Click on that and you'll see your personal API key. Make sure to copy this key as you'll need it in the next steps. Next, we will connect that API key to Softr. Begin by logging into your Softr account. If you don't have an account, this is a great time to create one. Once logged in, you can either create a new application or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. When prompted for a data source, select Monday.com from the options available. Here's where you'll paste the API key you copied earlier to establish the connection. After your Monday.com account is connected, it's time to select your data sources. You'll need to choose the specific Monday.com boards that contain the project or client data you want to display in your client portal. This is crucial because it determines what information your clients will have access to. Once you've selected your data sources, you'll move on to set permissions and filters. In Softr, you have the option to add user groups and set conditional filters. This feature is really important as it ensures that clients only see the data that is relevant to them. This not only enhances the user experience, but also protects the rest of your data in Monday.com, keeping it secure from unauthorized access. Now, it's time for one of the most creative aspects of the process, customizing the portal design. In this step, you can adjust your application's styles, colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your branding. A visually appealing portal will engage your clients and leave a great first impression. After you've got the look just right, it's time to add action buttons to your portal. Incorporating these buttons is vital as they allow users to create, update, or delete information directly through the portal. The fantastic part about this is that with the two-way sync feature, any changes made within the Softr portal will automatically update your boards in Monday.com. This keeps everything consistent and up to date, making management much more efficient. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to creating a functional and personalized client portal using Softr and Monday.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.